mildly terrifying. All right, let's get to work. Hello, today I will be cleaning out the garage. As you can see, all of the beautiful wall art that is in this garage, but what I need this for right now is storage. My plan of attack for the flooring and refinishing the wood floors in the house is to tackle one half of the lower level and then the other half of the lower level. In order to do that, I need to be able to move things around and move furniture. We are living in the house while we're redoing it, so gotta make some space. And right now, our sunroom has been a catch-all for carpet and cardboard boxes and just various trash. So what I need to do is clean out this space, move everything from the sunroom, and then start moving around furniture so that way I can finally refinish the wood floors in the lower level. Whenever we first moved in, we kind of just moved everything that we didn't want in the house into the garage. And for now, most everything's going to stay here. I just need to reorganize. I think the best plan of attack will be to section off the garage. So maybe like lumber in this corner over here, and then things that we're keeping in this corner here. So that way I can put trash over closest to the door that actually opens. So this door right here has a huge hutch in front of it that is so pretty, but the hutch is impeding us from opening the door. So what I am looking for is just easy access for whenever we do get another dumpster, to just be able to pull everything out of the garage straight into the dumpster. No muss, no fuss.
Walking through the city in the middle of the night, there's still so much light all around. They say walking is for fools, but that isn't what I found. When the city never sleeps, I sleep to get around. Hey!
Never noticed this window here before. A window.
Walking through the city in the middle of the night.
I have two of these shelves that we just kept from whenever we moved, got them from Target. So I think what I want to do is keep this fairly accessible and put the shelves back in, and then use this for batteries and tchotchkes and things that I don't want in the house quite yet, but need to access eventually. So I think that's what these are going to be used for now, and I'll do a little bit of organizing. I think that's going to be the plan. Where all my tape went. They're all in this box. That will have to go in. move the chairs back here. Still have space. These need to go in because I will be doing the drawer soon. Our sunroom collected all of the rolls of carpet that we removed from the house, and I was fairly certain that between this and breaking down all of the cardboard boxes here, it would take me a full afternoon. However, I enlisted the help of Jared, and what would have taken me an afternoon took him, I don't know, roughly 5 minutes. So here is him throwing all of the rolls out of the sunroom for me. Now that Jared beast mode carpet out, I can clean out these boxes. This isn't going to take long. The longest process is going to be breaking it down. I'm literally just storing them in the garage. I'm going to probably need most of these boxes eventually anyway, so just shipping it out that way. With the power of editing, any useless cardboard as well as all of the rolls of carpet are moved to the garage here. Oh man. Time to fill it back up. Jared flipped this for me so that way I can unscrew the back here. I'm just gonna go store this in the garage as well until I figure out what to do with it, but it is secured by these blocks. So this top piece secured to the top, and then this whole half is secured to the bottom via these blocks. It's really nice. I like it. It needs a lot of work, but I do like it a lot. So I'm just gonna move it to the garage for now and then figure out what to do with it later. Oh yeah, that's super easy to come off. I kind of wonder if the previous owner built this thing. Or maybe he just rigged it together. Sweet. heavy. Yeah, maybe that's just gonna go right back to where it was. Oh man.
I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight like bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, can't touch the bar